Hi, I'm Paul Zamet of the Toronto Botanical Garden. I'd like to welcome you to our home garden. I'm taking a moment to admire one of my favorite plants, and as the Director of Horticulture, I'm often asked, what is your favorite plant? And that's a very difficult question, but I could probably narrow it down to maybe the top 30 or 20, and if I had to do so, I would include this plant that I'm surrounded by. One of our beautiful native plants. This is Mertensia virginica, commonly known as the Virginia bluebells. It is a plant that will grow in a bright shaded location, loves early spring light, and the reasons I really love this plant is it comes up extremely early, long before any of our other perennials begin to wake up, long before our trees begin to leaf in. I also really like this plant because of its wonderful blue pendant-shaped flowers that hang down, and these are magnets to things like early emerging bumblebees. Another attribute of this plant that I really admire is that it's a spring ephemeral, which means it goes dormant and it disappears. And usually by the end of May or early June, it is literally gone, which means for us plant collectors, it's an opportunity to be able to use this space for other plant material. And I'll often at that point be able to bring out some of my potted begonias and use them in this space here. Mertensia Virginia bluebells will be available at the Toronto Botanical Garden plant sale May 11th through the 13th. Remember, if you're a member, you get in on May 10th. Again, it's one of my favorite plants. I'll hope you'll discover it and maybe consider trying it in your garden. And as you can see, this wonderful native will also begin to spread.